Dear students, second course for the zoology major students is the aquarium fish keeping, which is SCC. So in aquarium fish keeping, you are going to study about the aquarium and different types of fishes and the maintenance of aquarium. So aquarium fish keeping is the first course, and you can buy the books Aquarium Fish Keeping, which is authored by me and published by the Truman publication, so which is available in the market. So there are two editions of this book, first edition and second edition. You can buy from the shop. So first question and first topic is the scope of ornamental fish keeping as cottage industry in India. So there are many types of fishes which are kept in the aquarium, and these are named as the ornamental fishes. So in aquaculture, among the fishery sector, ornamental fish keeping and aquarium fish keeping have become highly professional and attractive avenue for youth. Ornamental fishes usually means attractive, colorful fishes of various characteristics which are kept as pets in confined space of an aquarium or a garden pool. Aquarium fish and accessory industry is fast gaining importance due to its tremendous economic opportunities and prospects. So Indian water possesses a rich diversity of ornamental fish with over 100 indigenous varieties and similar number of exotic species. A rich diversity of species and favorable climate, cheap labor and easy distribution make India suitable for ornamental fish culture. So there are more than 30,000 fish species reported around the world. Of this, about 800 belong to ornamental fishes. 58 ornamental fish species belonging to 5 orders, 13 families and 36 genera occur in Himachal Pradesh. Of the 58 species, 27.58% are exotic. New crossbreeds are also developed which are more attractive and have more price in export market. The high demands for ornamental breeds are Molly, Guppy, Platy, Swordtail, Gouramis, Barbs, Siamese, fighter fish, catfish, angelfish and cichlids. The success of ornamental fish culture greatly depends on the location and layout of unit, with adopting proper management protocols in the breeding and rearing. The basic necessities are like plenty of water, quality brood stock, and uninterrupted electric supply. So, aquarium fish keeping is one of the oldest hobbies in the world and next only to photography in popularity. The material mostly used is glass. So, there are two types of aquarium, home aquaria and public aquaria. The ornamental fish breeding is more remunerative cost of aquarium fish unit with an investment of rupees 30,000 in the form of cement system or glass tank and supporting accessories like aeration, pumps, feed and medicines can help the unemployed youth to earn money. The following physical and biological parameters are to be observed for successful maintenance of aquarium, like water quality, dissolved oxygen and other gases, temperature variation, light and its function, aquatic plants, and feeding and fooling. Trade and present status. In India, among the freshwater ornamental fish trade, 98% are cultured and 2% are captured wild. Ornamental fishes of India are contributing about 1% of the total ornament fish trade. These fishes are exported to the tons of 69.26 tons, having the value of rupees 566.66 crores in the year of 1415. India offers about 374 freshwater ornamental fish species and about 700 marine ornamental fish species out of total of 1539 species of ornamental fishes are traded worldwide. Freshwater ornamental fish contributed is about 80% and 20% from brackish and marine water in ornamental fish trade. You can see here the pie chart showing 80% from the freshwater and 20% from the marine and brackish water. The Western Ghats, northeast of India, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, etc. These are given the number of species in these areas. India's share in ornamental fish trade is estimated to be about 158.23 lakh, which is only 0.008% of the global trade. So, northeastern state, West Bengal, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu are blessed with potential indigenous species. About 100 native species are reared in aquarium fish, and more than 300 exotic species are covered in ornamental fish trade. About 200 species are bred in India. 90% of India export from Kolkata, followed by 8% from Mumbai and 2% from Chennai. So you can see here in the histogram that maximum is contributed by the West Bengal. So ornamental fish industry can be set as a cottage industry, as fishery sector occupies a very important place in the socio-economical development of the country. So, most importantly, it is a source of livelihood for the large section of economically backward population of the country, and it can be set as cottage industry as it requires very little space and less initial investment than most other forms of aquaculture. As less manpower is needed, the women or the elders can run small home units with slightly more sophisticated equipment such as heaters, aerators, and power filters, and practices such as selective breeding, stock manipulation, and proper feeding. Large units can be maintained in urban areas also. So, ornamental fish farming can be a promising alternative for many people. It requires little space and less initial investment than most other forms of aquaculture. So, more research and development in both fresh and marine water fishes can lead to development of culture technologies for many species of demand in the aquarium trade in the globe. So these are the beautiful ornamental fishes which you can keep in the aquarium, and you can also start your own aquarium trade. So fish ornamental fish keeping can be set as the cottage industry. Thank you.